So you might be wondering, how do you fully integrate Courier Guy here with Shopify? Well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, the thing with Courier Guy here, it only works in South Africa. Now, if your business is not located in South Africa, or if you're not shipping in South Africa, well, you won't be able to install the app. But if you do meet the criteria here, well, pretty much you can start using the app. How do you do so? Well, first things first is you want to go ahead and just go to your settings at the bottom left here. And you want to go and just choose the apps and sales channel at the left side and click on Shopify App Store. Now, in the Shopify App Store, you want to go to search apps and guides and more. Just type in the following. It's going to be Courier Guy. Search for it. And once you have this available, you can go and just click on it and click on install. Now, it's going to ask you to verify a few things here that you want to install the app. But once you do click on the install button here to verify that you want to install it, you should be able to start using the app. Now, you can go and just click on install. Just wait for a while here, and that should basically allow access, or that should install the app into your store. Now, in here, you should now have the option to set up your Courier Guy shipping service. So that includes the company name, account number, API key, and a lot more. Now, go and just provide the necessary details here and just click on save settings, and you're pretty much good to go here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.